Hey guys, it's me Zanger PRK. Welcome to this new video. Today I will make a special announcement. I will make some great pictures and edit them in Adobe Photoshop. I decided to do that some days ago, I think, and I decided to do some tests and it was really great. I put it on my status on WhatsApp and people was like, "Whoa, this guy can edit." And I decided to make that and like I think to let me give you guys some content. Why? Because a virus hit my country, Suriname, and my people that assist me, they are going to places, then I told them to make some pictures for me, some videos for me, and make a slideshow and put it on my YouTube channel. And right now, places are closed, everything in Suriname. You guys know it too. So then I decided to make some pictures and edit it. Hope you like it. I will make some musical videos too with a karaoke box, everything. And my YouTube video Kuskus Hota Hai has 1,000. Sorry, I'm imaginating. But my video Kuskus Hota Hai had I think 100 views, and my fire video was 400 views, I think. Yeah, 400 views, and I will put a link to that too. And yeah, you guys liked it. It's for those crazy boxing, but now I cannot do that anymore. So I decided to make some karaoke music for you guys, sing with you guys. Hope you like it. So if you have some ideas for me too, you can put it in the comments. You can put it in the comment. I will respond as fast as possible. So yes, that's all about for today, and see you to the next video. And like, subscribe, and everything that other YouTubers say. But like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So yes, thank you guys. Ciao.